So this game here, we're using the robot to collect the bits of rubbish, and the aim is to avoid the black rocks. So if we move the robot to black rocks, it restarts again, and I've got a counter that shows me how many moves I'm making. So I want to try and collect all of the rubbish in the fewest number of moves possible without hitting into the rocks like that. So we're going to have a look at seeing inside and looking at the code. So when I go inside, you'll see that I've got here, so this is the code that I've got for my robot. We've got these takeout, which are the bits of rubbish that are there to be collected. I've got my arrows for the directions and some more takeouts. So there's some things that we can do to change the game. First of all, if we click on backdrops and then click on backdrops again, we can edit the map. So I can click on the paintbrush and I can change the color to black, for example, and I could maybe add a block in here to make it a bit more challenging, maybe one in here, could even add one in here and here, just to try and make my game a little bit more challenging for the user. If I wanted to make any of them blue, I could click again on the color, look at the little pipette thing here, and select the right shade of blue. So now if I click on any of the squares, they will be changing to blue. What you want to avoid doing is changing the grid color. If you change the grid color to all blue like that, and then say I then went to change one of them, want to change one to black, it's going to change all of them to black. So if that happens, do undo until you get back to your red grid like that. So let's have a look now at some of the sprites. So this, for example, this takeout here says if it's touching the robot, change the score by 1. So what I can do is I can duplicate these. So I can, if I press and hold on the takeout and click duplicate, it will create another copy. So you see here I've got another copy of the rubbish, so I can move that to where I want it to be. I also want to, in my robot, have a look at this, because I've got this statement here. If the score equals 7, because there were 7 bits of rubbish, then basically say congratulations, you've won. I now need to change that number to 8, so it takes into consideration of that. If I wanted to change the robot at all, I'll need to go into costumes. And the moment you'll see I've got these 4 costumes down here, so I could select another one of these. So maybe I want the retro robot B, but I just need to, in my code, just check that I've got switch costume to retro robot B, and the same here, retro robot B.